Okay, let's go over and look at the European markets next. So this is the UK FTSE, and at the moment off this wave 2, I'm looking for an A, B, C. This is the 4-hour chart for this 3 in the diagonal, and thus far I think we've got a wave 1 in 5 waves of this A wave up, and that we have either completed or are still in with this wave 2 here, looking for a 3, 4, 5 after that. Now, coming down the time frames, hourly chart, and you can see this morning we came down and we hit this 38.2 on the nose and bounced. That gave you an opportunity to take a long trade with a very, very tight stop. Typically, I mean, the 38.2, we can get a shallow 2 here, or it can just be the A wave of the 2, so that this A, B, C is all for the A. Then we get a B up, then a C down to one of the lower fibs. So I'm expecting this to bounce higher. I mean, it's coming down quite deep here, but I think this is possibly a 1, 2 or an A, B of the initial move up. So it gave you an opportunity, as I say, with a tight stop to take an initial position in the UK FTSE. If it fails, then you just keep trying at each fib and use the right level of stops really tight until we catch this, and then you'll get the benefit of a fairly substantial move to the upside from here. If we're going to prove this as all of the 2, unfortunately we have to take out 75.53 above us to actually confirm that in the UK FTSE. Now, German DAX, so I've got this wave 2, so I've got the 1, A, B, C to that deep 2 at the 886. Then I'm not sure whether that's 5 up as an A or an A, B, C, but I think we're getting an A, B, C structure for this A wave here. And this morning, if I come down to the hourly chart, we came down here, we just missed this 50% fib by a hair's breadth and then got a spike and reversal. We've got the divergences here. I'm looking for this to continue up and take out 12,456. If it can do that, it confirms we're on our way to at least 12,777 next in the German DAX. And just flipping that down to a 15-minute chart, you can see it's a fairly strong move thus far out of the low. The pattern's just horrible, actually, which is most unlike the DAX. But if we can take out 12,456, then we should be looking 250 to 300 points higher than that, just for the A wave of the larger 3 in the DAX to complete.